Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. Well, DOT is moving up quite aggressively now. Already made you aware in yesterday's video that it's probable that this wave 2 already finished. Yeah, here, even though it was also very shallow, but it's pushing. Yeah, DOT is pushing, and in yesterday's video as well, I gave you another support region that you can use to maybe find an entry, or at least that gives you an idea which range needs to hold to keep the upside pressure alive in the current scenario. And that was here the $5.59 to $5.91 zone. That area was touched today and the price just kept going. So we triggered our support area, our trend reversal area, and the price is already moving higher, possibly in wave 5 of 1 of the larger degree third wave. Yeah, you see it again and again in crypto that in a third wave, pullbacks can be extremely shallow. So also this wave 2 can be extremely shallow. That's just something that you need to know. Okay, you know, you cannot predict if it will be a deep wave 2 or not. We've seen it many times that a wave 2 in, let's just double check that, that a wave 2 in a third wave can be extremely shallow. And you just need to consider that, okay? In a third wave, finding an entry is always difficult, especially in the main element of a third wave. So we've had enough support areas on the DOT chart that were triggered here, 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 here. So I would assume that anybody who wanted to have a position found a position, even though they were all only sort of touched, okay? But at least 3 times. And here we had quite a deep move into our target or support area. Yeah, even though this wasn't really a Fibonacci support area, well, it kind of was, but measured differently. And in here we were watching for reversal, but there was plenty of time in this zone. And yeah, most recently all the pullbacks on the DOT chart have been shallow. I mean, what can I say? It this can also be interpreted as, look, you know, is this wave 1? But I cannot believe that, you know, I need to see further evidence for that. This was already quite a sizable pullback. And the only thing is, you know, all these pullbacks have been extremely shallow. So I can absolutely not rule out that, yeah, we get a deeper pullback at some point, but it's all, you know, it's not showing at this stage. And literally also just the last support area here again, it was literally only touched. I mean, it wasn't missed. You know, you can see how relevant these Fibonacci levels are. I mean, touch and go, you know, that's in a bullish market, that's what these coins are doing. So what is a likely target for this wave 1? Now, what we do is we take the length of wave 1, larger degree, go to the low of the wave 2. Yeah, and 662 would be the next level that I would pay attention to. If it doesn't show a reaction there, likelihood will significantly increase that we take the more direct path and that no deeper wave 2 pullback is coming. The next possibility then would be $7.20, but above $7.20, I assume that DOT might do something that Rune has done as well, and anybody who knows the Rune chart will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it could start to escalate quite aggressively above $7.20. So that's really everything for now on the DOT chart. To maintain the upside pressure, that's important to understand. To maintain the upside pressure now with the latest high, the price needs to hold above the 78.6 retrace, whatever it's doing. So that's the $5.10 level. Needs to hold above $5.10. That's the key pivot against which we can still focus on higher. Below that level, I have to assume we are in a deeper wave 2 pullback. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.